Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to use Aarogya Setu app. At first, go to Google Play Store and search for Aarogya Setu. Click on the first result. Click on Install. When the installation is complete, click Open. Now, select your desired language and click Next. Swipe left to know more about the app. Now, click on the Register Now button. The app needs your device location, Bluetooth, and data sharing permission to work properly on your device. Click on I agree. Click on Allow. Now enter your mobile number and hit Submit. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Submit. Now select your gender. Enter your name. Enter your age. Select your profession. If your profession is not listed here, select none of the above. In case if you have traveled outside of India in the last 30 days, you need to mention it here. Select the countries you have traveled in the last 30 days. If you don't have any travel history, select None and click OK. If you want, you can become a volunteer, or else you can leave it unchecked. Now click Submit. Based on your travel history and current device location, the app shows your risk level. If it is green, you are safe and there is nothing to worry. If it is yellow, then you are at risk. Then you should contact a helpline number in your state. You can also take the self-assessment test in the app. You need to answer a few simple questions. Based on your answer, your risk level will be shown. You can find more information about the coronavirus using the links below and the recent tweets about the coronavirus. This is how you can use Aarogya Setu app. Stay at home and stay safe. Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu.